In today's do-it-yourself video, I will be working on a Hoover Cyclonic backless upright vacuum model UH70015, and the problem with it is that it has a broken belt. It has two belts, and the smaller one broke that runs the roller on the machine. So we'll be taking it apart and reassembling it and replacing that belt. As a first step, go ahead and remove the hose. You're going to be turning the machine upside down and everything, so you don't want that to get in the way. So twist that off and pull it out. Next, we'll be removing the screws here, 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 and here. They are all the same size and they're black screws. And then removing these screws here. As you can see here, the belt that goes around here, a small belt, goes around this little roller here, has broken. And that's this belt right here. I was able to find the belt online, and the kit came with two belts, the smaller one and this larger one here. And they have different numbers. The smaller one is 385-28034, which is the same number as the old belt, which is, you can see here, 38528-034. So you can see here, you have the larger belt going around this big loop roller, and then the smaller one comes around here, under here, and then to the roller with the brushes. And this is how it goes in there. So we'll need to take off these two screws and these two screws to get this belt out, and then put the smaller one in here. Again, these screws are all the same size, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. And I'll need to remove this one. Again, they're all the same size. So now this is loose, and I can remove this belt. And then turn it sideways and slide it out here. Now I'll need to insert the new belt, the new inner belt, the smaller one. it sits in here and it goes underneath this roller here. This roller here provides the tension on the belt. So now I can put these screws back, and but before that I do that, I need to reinstall the old belt, the bigger one that goes around here. If you notice, this belt has grooves, and there are grooves here that line up with this. And I'm putting it in the same way as far as the writing this way. Okay, now I can reinstall these screws. Be sure to put this back in the right place, this little sensor here that has its slot that it goes into, before you put this piece back on. Okay, everything is lined up and tight. I'm ready to turn the vacuum over and install the belt around the roller on the other side here. Okay, I threaded the belt through the hole here, going underneath the roller here. So now we'll put in the roller. Okay, and the roller is in, and it's inside this groove. And that's what it looks like there. It's underneath this thing here, which provides the tension. So it runs there, underneath here, and out to the roller. Now we're ready to reassemble everything and put the covers back on. Putting on the back ones first. And then these covers here. And then screwing everything in, starting with the black screws and then the silver ones. should be okay. The brush roller is off for floors, and there it engaged for carpet and the different levels. Okay, this concludes my do-it-yourself repair of the belt that connects to the brush roller on this Hoover UH70015. Hope you found this video helpful, and you subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.